In reply, it has been submitted by the learned AGA that the case of the prosecution is no doubt based on circumstantial evidence full stop since the FIR indicates that the murder was committed by some unknown persons around 6:30 pm on 7/8/2007, but complicity of the accused persons was found during investigation on ground that the deceased Narendra Dwivedi, deputy jailer of Meerut jail, was very honest, diligent and young officer, and he wanted to carry out jail reform, and he accused persons did not like such an honest officer and tried to eliminate him at convenience, and for securing their objective they, in collision with others, hatched deeply rooted conspiracy and killed the deceased. Full stop. Such murder is not only an offense simpliciter like other murderers, but also an offense of particular nature and an attempt to suffocate life and voice of those officers who are honest and diligent, and this attitude of the offenders need be dealt with sternly by the court. Full stop. It is a crime against the whole society. Full stop. The motive for committing the crime has been reasonably proved. Full stop. Not only this, Mrs. Sandhya Dwivedi, wife of deceased, has categorically stated that at the time when she came out of her home along with the deceased accused, Rajiv Kumar Singh was conversing on telephone about departure of deceased from his home, and soon thereafter deceased was shot dead. Full stop. Certain witnesses who saw the occurrence and who gave statement to that effect to the investigating officer have been won over by the accused, and they did not support the incident before the trial court, but their statements recorded by the investigating officer are substantial one and carry element of truth, which statement cannot be overlooked while appreciating the merit of the case. Full stop. Maybe that the investigating officer failed to collect the entire evidence, but the material collected during the course of investigation is fair enough to establish guilt of the accused. Full stop. Even no cause has been shown for false implication of the accused for causing murder of Narendra Dwivedi. Full stop. All the links of the chain of circumstances have been consistently proved, which exclude every hypothesis of innocence of the accused and point to the culpability of the accused, that they and they alone were involved in killing the deceased. Full stop. Para submission has also been made on behalf of the complainant through counsel Sri Amit Dhaga. Full stop. Learned counsel vociferously claims that the incident itself shows that the deceased Narendra Dwivedi was brutally murdered. Full stop. The deceased was killed because he was honest, hardworking and reputed officer who never succumbed to the voice of the corrupt, and that attitude was tested by the accused persons, and they were inimical towards the deceased. Full stop. They hatched intriguing conspiracy to eliminate the deceased. Full stop. It is a case where crime has been committed against a man purely devoted to his duty. Full stop. He was starving to carry out jail reform, particularly on the administrative side. Full stop. The investigating officers did not carry out their duty cast upon them by law. Full stop.